Folks, aren't you tired of seeing the same old commercial about preserving nature? Well, when I, Joe Chin, talk about preserving nature, I'm more serious than a cockroach running for his life. The Joe Chin Foundation for Natural Preservation was founded just 3 days ago and needs your donation. Just send cash, check, or your credit card to the Joe Chin Foundation for Natural Preservation now. And I mean now. Folks, aren't you tired of seeing the same old commercial about chains? Well, when I, Joe Chin, talk about chains, I'm more serious than a worm trying to escape becoming bait. If you use these Joe Chin brand chains, your bicycle will be capable of running over any kind of natural obstacles. Not only that, if you put these chains onto your favorite chainsaw, you will be able to chop down trees faster than any bulldozer has done before. So pick one up at your local store now. I mean now.
It's time to get your power back on.
It's time to get your power back on.
Now let's start with this tree over here.
Now let's start with this tree over here.
Cause I know we need to get to high gear.
Cause I know we need to get this high gear.
Come on, hurry. I need you to hurry. I thought you were in a hurry. But don't worry.
Come on, hurry. I need you to hurry. I thought you were in a hurry. But don't worry.
No need to worry, cause I know the deal. The trees will go back for sure. That's for real.
No need to worry, cause I know the deal. The trees that go back for sure, that's for real.
Yeah! In the sun, having fun in the sun. I love rocking to the beat, just for fun.
Ain't it fun having fun in the sun? I love rocking to the beat, just for fun.
Don't forget, I mean for real. My chainsaws rule with the world with the feel.
Don't forget, I mean for real. My chainsaw rule with the world with the peel.
Never use Joe Chin's chains for them. Rocking with the beat, rolling with the heat.
Rocking with the beat, rolling with the heat.
Rolling up high in the sun.
Rolling up high in the sun.
Turn it to the side.
Turn it to the side.
Hold it up high.
Hold it up high.
Turn it up high.
Turn it up high.
Hold it to the side.
Hold it to the side.
We're gonna make a good guitar with this wood.
We're gonna make a good guitar with this wood.
So give it all you got, girl. I mean for real.
So give it all you got, girl. I mean for real.
Oh, come on, hurry. I need you to hurry. I thought you were in a hurry. But don't worry.
Come on, hurry. I need you to hurry. I thought you were in a hurry. But don't worry.
No need to worry, cause I know the deal. The trees will go back for sure. That's for real.
No need to worry, cause I know the deal. The trees that go back for sure, that's for real.
In the sun, having fun in the sun. I love rocking to the beat, just for fun.
Ain't it fun having fun in the sun? I love rocking to the beat, just for fun.
Don't forget, I mean for real. My chainsaws rule with the world with the feel.
Don't forget, I mean for real. My chainsaws rule with the world with the peel.
Never use Joe Chin's chains for them, no. Rocking with the beat, rolling with the heat.
Rocking with the beat, rolling with the heat.
Rolling up high in the sun.
Rolling up high in the sun.
Now we come far.
Now we come far.
Tell me who you are.
Tell me who you are.
You must be a star.
You must be a star.
Let's see your guitar.
Let's see your guitar.
I'm impressed. You can move on now.
All right, let's move on.